A very, very pleasant good evening to all of you. Myself, Keshav Kumar, stand before you to deliver some speech on Indian Army. Whenever we think about Indian Army, we just think a soldier who is physically fit, lasses with guns and ammunition, standing at the border and fighting with enemies. But this is not true. We didn't know the harsh reality of the Indian soldiers. They are suffering from very harsh difficulties and problems. They stand for 24 to 40 hours on the borders without eating anything, without carrying any foodstuffs along with them. As Indian infantry are the forces which fought among on the grounds with the use of tanks, missiles, and guns and other equipments, while Navy fought in the oceans and water bodies of the Indian territory, while Indian Air Force fought above the ground in the sky with the help of new technologies of aircrafts, missiles, and Rafales. The chief commander of the Indian Army is the President of India. The highest rank in our Indian Army is the Air Field Marshal. The first Air Field Marshal of our India was the Sam Manekshaw. Sam Manekshaw. Our Indian Army is categorized into many regiments and special forces, in which para commandos, Sikh regiments are very famous. But uh, but in Indian Army, Marcos and Gurkhas are referred as very powerful forces. Even Sam Manekshaw often told that if a man saying that he is not afraid of dying, he often then thinks you that he is saying lie or just he is saying lie or just he is a Gurkha. आई वॉन्ट टू स्पीक इन हिंदी. अगर कोई सेना का जवान यह कहना चाहता है कि मुझे मौत से डर नहीं लगता है, तो या तो वह झूठ बोल रहा है या तो वो गुरखा है. दिस लाइन ऑफ सैम मैनेक्सॉ इनकरेज्ड ए लॉट ऑफ इंडियन सोल्जर्स. एवरी कॉइन हैज़ टू फेसेस. हर एक सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं. इन आवर एज ए पार्ट ऑफ आवर इंडियंस enjoy their lives with their families, their colleagues, with a very happiness and joy, while on a other group of Indians standing at the borders for protecting us. They, from the coldness of Siachen glaciers to the high hotness of the Rajasthan, they are ready to protect us. Not only from the borders, they also protect us from during the natural pandemics, climatic disasters, and many more. They are always available for the Indian armies are always available for us and our servings 20, uh, every second of their lives. They put their lives in the danger and challenges their life every day to protect us. Recently, we have suffered from coronavirus, a great pandemic. We all are staying at home and feeling safe, but our Indian army, those who are the real heroes, working at the ground level to do their best and to protect us. They are doing their best to make our nation pride and to make it safe. They are the Indian armies are the real heroes of our nation. They makes the India pride and brighter. At last, I have to say that for an Indian soldier, India is its homes. India is its homes. Gun is his wife, and life is his duty. I want to repeat it. For an Indian soldier, India is his home, gun is his wife, and life is his duty. Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you very much, Mr. Keshav Kumar. And today, once again, you looked in rhythm after a long time. So I know you guys were one who used to shake up the stage. And again, that once again, if you will come into rhythm, you are gonna shake up this stage again. So without any delay, I would like to welcome Mr. Sudhir Kumar. So everybody clap for Mr. Sudhir on the stage.
भारतीय सेनाओं से ही देश की मान है. भारतीय सेनाओं से ही देश की मान है. भारतीय सेनाओं से ही देश की शान है. भारतीय सेनाओं से ही देश की शान है. हम उस देश के फूल है यारो, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है. जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है. गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. Myself Sudhir Kumar as a representative of Read and Achieve classes from class 8. Today I am standing here to say something about Indian Army. As we know that Indian Army, by listening its grabbles grand meaning. when we listen Indian Army, our honorable brother already told you. When we listen Indian Army, it means one people who are physically fit, always with weapons and fight with enemy on the border. Think about these people, how they save our country in the hot, in the cold, in anywhere. How they protect our country, protect our nation. It is very tough, not easy. Not very tough. It is very very tough to protect the nation. कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जल कर देख लेना. ऐसे ही नहीं होती मुल्क की हिफाजत, कभी सरहद पे चल कर देख लेना. So it is very hard thing. Protect our nation. Protect such a big nation. But today we forget these people. Today we forgot these people who always available for we all. Anytime he ready to lose their life for their nation. We are relaxedly sitting anywhere, talking with each other. It would be occur due to Indian Army, due to our forces. Indian Army, it is a not force. It shows the strength and unity of our nation. Think how long without food and water he protect us. They protect us. How they protect us? The people who want to go in Indian Army, they have a special types of power inside them to protect the nation. It is not any distinction. It is a special type of madness which is present in those people. That's why we everywhere we must want to give them extra opportunity, respect every Indian Army. It's our duty because Indian Army not earn much more money. They have limited amount of salary. Because my uncle is also army, that's why I told you this thing. They have no lot of salary. Maximum he get up to 1 lakh, not more than 1 lakh. In somewhere he got more than 1 lakh and no much more. So see these people, how they protect our country. He leave their home, leave mother, father, and leave everybody. And they fight for our country. They protect us. So these are the real heroes of our nation. Due to we live properly here. There are several Indian Army lost their life on the border for protecting this country. Several, not 1 or 2,000, even in lakh, they lost their life. Think how much these peoples are great. They protect our nation, they protect our country. So we want to prod on them. We must want to prod up on them. How they protect our nation in a very tough situation. In the glacier, in the sand, in the desert, even in the ocean, in the water. How they protect us. It is not easy task. It is very, very tough task. And due to our Indian Army, no any enemy ever think to attack on India, damage us. They never think, because due to Indian Army, because these peoples have a special types of madness to protect our nation. That's why they never think for their life, always ready to lose their life for this nation, for this beautiful nation. It shows the greatness of these people. They have very short period of job, but in short period they try to do great thing. So their name is written in the history. Subhash Chandra Bose, very early, not in the middle stage, he lost their life, but whole the country remembered him name. Due to him contribution in the field of freedom for India. This is the real hero of our nation. I would like to stop myself here. Thank you and have a nice day.
Well done, Mr. Sudhir. Thank you very much for this wonderful speech. So, now Abhishek, why do you want to get rid of me still? Come, please. Yeah, just wait.
Indian Army is pride of every citizen of India. Army is a land-based armed force which protect us from enemy in border. Indian Army not protect us in border; it is also protect us from natural disaster. Indian Army was established in 1 April 1895. 1 April 1895. It is established by East Indian Company, which is from England. In Indian Army, 27 regiments, in which Marcos and Gorkha regiments are most powerful, and it is for surgical strike and special operation. Nowadays, Indian Army has over 1.2 million active soldiers and 9,60,000 reserve soldiers. In Indian Army, there are many companies, just like BSF, which means Border Security Force, and CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force, and in scientists told that a person cannot live highest lowest temperature, just like -5 or -6, but Indian Army survive in -11 degree Celsius in Siachen Glacier, Ladakh, and also a normal human body cannot survive approximately 48 to 50 degrees Celsius, but Indian Army survive in Rajasthan approximately 52 to 53 degrees Celsius. Indian Army is a real hero of India. Every person celebrate a festival and live with family happy. This is the reason behind Indian Army. If Indian Army is present, that's why we are safely enjoy with our family and we sleep peacefully. Indian Army also serve in President Office and many VIP securities. Indian Army is commanded by President of India and also CDS, Chief Defence Staff. The first CDS is General Bipin Rawat, and not at present time General Upen Dwivedi is CDS of India. In Indian Army, the highest rank is Field Marshal. There are two persons which achieve it. First, Sam Manik Shaw, he is also known as Sam Bahadur, and the second is General Karyappa, General K. Karyappa. In Field Marshal, he got it 5-star with Ashok Astam, highest symbol. Sometimes Sam Bahadur told that इंडियन आर्मी का काम देश के लिए जान देना नहीं, इंडियन आर्मी का